Hey everyone, how's it going? After 2 months I was away in Brazil. Now I'm back to my own environment. So stick around. Let's make a new video. Well, pretty cold still. So this is beginning of May, spring. As you can see, not a lot of snow anymore. A little bit more up on the mountains, but right now no snow at all, which is great. It's springtime, time to come and enjoy nature a little bit. So like the most, crossing rivers, fishing, hunting, shooting, camping. Amazing. That's what I was waiting for a long time. Wow, look at this, beautiful. Trees are coming to life right now. See those buds? See that means they're going to start flowering pretty soon. After 8 months of hibernation, they finally come to life again. And they're coming to life, so as I. I'm going to make some steak today. Yeah, can't wait. Let's go. Maybe one of the most important things when you come out here, dry wood. The whole ground is flooded with water. Dry wood is the best thing for you to have in the truck, in your car. And one thing also is very important, when you're going to open a piece of wood, just give it a first hit. Every time you swing up, when you're going to bring down, take your hand away from it, because you don't want your hand to beat together and then the axe go through it and catch your finger on the way down. It's a nasty cut. Sometimes you hit the wood many times and it doesn't split. The reason why is we have those nuts. So the best way is to move your axe somewhere else and then keep going until you find a soft spot. Because over here, it's going to be hard to break it. Let's grab another piece. Ooh. So I'm waiting here now is the flame to go down, because whatever you put over here on top of this grill, super hot, with the big flame underneath is going to burn. So I want to make a nice hot coal underneath, so you won't have the heat very nice and strong, because the wind's coming from the west, very strong sometimes, blow the top of the trees out. You don't want that. You don't want a flame in your face, you want only the heat. Well, sometimes you see a movement far away, so you don't know what it is. Could be a moose, could be a deer, could be a bear at this time. May, they're all up and running now, very strong, coming from hibernation. So sometimes in the tree line, you have to take a look. From time to time, stop and take a look. Even up on those ridges right here, take a quick look sometimes, don't get too distracted. Riverbank and all that jazz. So you better be here You're here to have a good time, but you also want to go back home and you want to be safe. So every time in a situation like this, has a little weapon, spray, anything that will scare them, because animals are very hungry right now. So am I. Let me go get my steak done, guys. Let's go. While the meat's not ready, let's get some vegetables done. What I do, it's bloody still. I'll grab all the ingredients, onions, bell peppers, everything, put it all together right there. Shake it up, put some salt, olive oil, right here, right there inside, all of it. Maybe it was like 2 spoons of oil and some salt. Some salt. These will come in. Okay, some salt like this, and that's it. Okay. Close the bag and mix it up. Yeah, 5 seconds, that's all you need. If you can hold your hand any closer, that means you're very good. The coal is ready to go. You don't have any flame coming. You have just a little bit around the perimeter, but you're perfect. The coal right in the middle, you're gonna cook anything. So this is the time to throw the steak. Oh yeah. This is the noise you like to hear it. Sizzling. Oh boy, yes. That's the way to go. And then there's some peppers in there. And then we're good. Very good. Oh boy. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? And it feels even more amazing when you're here in the middle of all this by yourself. It's a phenomenal feeling. So good. Oh, yeah. Let's take a look at this guy here. Oh yeah, baby. Huh? How you like me now, huh? Oh yeah. Huh? Isn't it beautiful? Oh my God. Right? They all come in. Well, right now I don't want this guys to burn too much, right? They're already sizzling very well. Nice and salt. Beautiful. So, I'm gonna make my pita. It's gonna be delicious. Oh yeah, even this guy. Go. All right, let's take a look. Oh my goodness, so juicy. All right, I'm gonna take a bite of this guy here. There we go. It's too bad you guys cannot taste this. I feel really sorry for you boys and girls. Because I'm telling you something. It is freaking delicious. Wow. See? All the juice. It's incredible. It's absolutely. Sometimes it's better to do by hand. Because too many gadgets is just like messed around a little bit. Look at that. Huh? Wow. Mmm. It's getting windy. Oh, look. This guy's right here. Right? Right there. Some of this fella's right over here too. Look at that. This big bite. Right over here. And I'm going to this one. Right, there you go. Straight to the grill. Oh, maybe a minute or two. The coal is phenomenal. This is what you need in this weather. You need heat. You need to be comfortable. You need to want to be here, right? Because if you come over here and you're too cold and then you want to go home, what's the point? So you want to come over here, you want to make a nice food, you want to have a nice fire, and then you want to pack it up and go home. There you go. Oh yeah, baby. Huh? That's what I'm talking about. The juices are, oh my God, yep. There we go. A little sacrifice for you guys, eh? Here we go. Ready? I'm ready. Here we go. See the way it's dripping? All the oil, all the juices from the vegetables, the pepper, look. Look at that. The onions, olive oil. Ah, boy. Stick around, guys. I'm gonna finish this by the water. Hey everyone, I want to say thank you for sticking around. I know it's been 2 months and I haven't posted anything. Now I'm back to Canada, back to the normal routine, back to the videos, back to the food, back to nature. Thank you very much. Stick around. And I'll see you guys next video. Hey, it's time to go home. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.